What's good, YouTube? Bobby Thrift back again with another video. About to do some retail arbitrage in a normal store or just a Shoe Palace. Let's go ahead and see what this location has. Go inside Shoe Palace.
I appreciate you, man.
Oh no, absolutely, absolutely. So they got some things here at the Shoe Palace, right? I'm here doing some retail arbitrage, and I tell you guys can do that now because there's a lot of red tags going on, right? For example, we got these triple black Air Max 90s, we got these 97s, and then we got the Prestos over there. Let me show you what's going on here. So here we go. So we got the black ones. They're asking $79 for them here. As you guys can see, ranking is not too bad at all for shoes, especially what the time of year we're about to be in. $165 is what they're asking for these. That is definitely a win. If you get on this list, then please do not lowball. Then we got some Air Max 97s, which is pretty cool too. These right here are pretty dope too. Ranking is super high though. Only one review, 5 stars, 176. They retail for like 160, so that's not bad at all. That's a pretty good find right there too. So we got these pretzels right here, which are dope too. Look at the ranking, not bad, and going for about $90 for the kids. That's pretty dope. Yeah ho, yeah ho. I don't pop Molly's, I rock Tom Ford. So you guys can see they got some Air Max 90s here in a triple white colorway, also for $79. So here the ranking on these right here. I already picked up a couple of these, that's why I'm showing you guys what I came with. Triple white 167. That is a great deal right there also, bro. Reach $49 of Prestos for these ladies. Ranking on these is pretty good. Let's go ahead and scan them really quick. Another banger, Presto premium white, or premium for the women's. Ranking is kind of high, 132. Spring and summertime, this is a go. Let me know what you guys think, as we got Jay-Z trying to copyright me in the background. So we got some Vapor Max 21 Flyknit, size 9 right here. Normally I think like a $200 shoe, right? They got it on sale for $119, which is not bad. And to flip it on the Amazon, as you guys can see, we got that ranking, which is pretty good for a size 9, going for $224, man. Some of the things you guys can find at these local stores if you get ungated in these, you know, brand. So yeah, we got those. These Prestos or Blazers down there. We got some more Prestos down here, white and red. Some more banging steals that's not even at the outlets. This is at a retail store. That's kind of the point of this, to show you that you can find some of them great deals at the retail stores too, not just the outlets. Now this one right here is definitely different. This Court Legacy, you see black and white, it does come up, but on the description of the product, it says white size 9, but look, there's a Nike swoosh that's black on there, and mine's don't. I'm gonna leave this alone because I don't want that confusion, but there is a good margin right there also. Let's go ahead and see what else is in this store. Anything else that's marked down? Of course, this store already got some dope heat for retail, denim lows. These ones are dope, they just came out. Let me know what you guys think about those. Then we got 5s, we got tie-dye lows for the people out there who like the tie-dye lows. 13 Brave Blues, 11 low IEs. If you're somebody who wants to be a member for these type of pickups, either follow me on Whatnot for a chance to win those things, or also become a member on my Discord for retail pickups. If you don't know what that is, ask me and I'll let you know, or ask somebody in this, you know, in the comment section below. I'm sure somebody knows what's going on with my membership. I do retail pickups for you, or just follow me once again on Whatnot and you might have a chance to win it there. You dig? A lot of red tags on a lot of things here, man. We got Reeboks, $39, size 13. This would be a good thing, a good item also. Let's see if that looks up real quick, just to see if it pops up. It does. I'm gated in this, and it doesn't even have like has some reviews in history, but I'm gated in Reebok. $39, that's fire. Then we got these boots right here, $129 on those. A lot of different things over here on sale. A lot of red tags, man. It really just depends on what kind of stuff you're looking for to flip. Discounted at $109, so that's pretty good there too. Wow. $239, 18. Wow, that's a really good ranking. That's probably like the best find right here as far as ranking and shoe. Ranking is 18,000 in shoes, $239 as a, wow, that's actually a good one right there. I might have to grab that. Even though the retail price is a little high on that, but look at what you can get for it though. You make over $100 on that. Then we got these down here, which I definitely looked up before and actually have scooped a few in my inventory at home or on Amazon. And you guys can see the ranking of these is pretty good too. 3,800. Sucks that Amazon's on it because it keeps it at $34, but you can chance that if you want to. Then they got all kinds of slides because we're just about to get into the summer season, so these might be the last sales before the new stuff come out or something like that. I don't know. $14 for slides, $19 for Crocs. You cannot go wrong with that. These all scan and pop up on Amazon too. I've already done my research on that. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff, man. A lot of red tags. Once again, man, your boy Bobby Thrift. We out here. Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and regular retail stores have discounts. Sorry about this mask thing, but you know what it is. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, smash the like button, share the video, and just give me some feedback, bro. These right here are dope too, but they are Adidas originals. That's why I'm gonna leave them alone. $49 on sale. You guys cannot beat that. And if you're in the Valley, you know you can find this yourself. Hopefully you guys don't come here and ruin it. But if you grab some stuff and get on the listings, bro, do not lowball. I repeat, do not lowball, you dig? Plenty of items, $19 and under. Just gotta search through here and see if there's something you want. Same thing with this over here. A lot of the Shoe Palace merchandise, $19 and under for jeans, shorts, sweats. If there's some things you want me to come back and check, let me know. I'll come back and check it for you. There's a lot of sales on I got more Vans galore. 39 bucks. $39. I fuck with Yeezy, dog. That was funny.